Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We will see how to uninstall Kate on Windows. We can uninstall Kate by three methods. One is through the Kate uninstaller. Second is via the Windows settings. Third is via the control panel. You can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall Kate on Windows. So first let us see how to uninstall Kate using the Kate uninstaller. So for this, first go to the location where Kate was installed. So in the system, it was installed in program files. So here you need to locate the Uninstall.exe. Double click on the exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Now click on Uninstall. So now the uninstallation is in progress. Wait for it to complete. The uninstallation is complete now. Click on Close. And here you can see that the Kate folder data is empty. Now click on Program Files. And here, if you search for Kate, you won't be able to find it. So this is how we need to uninstall Kate using the Kate uninstaller. Next, let us see how to uninstall Kate using Windows settings. To do this, press Windows I. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here search for Kate. So the Kate application is listed. Click on the three dots and click Uninstall. Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Now click on Uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on Close. And you can see that Kate is removed from the listed apps. So this confirms that Kate is uninstalled successfully. Let us now see how to uninstall Kate using Control Panel. To do this, press Windows R, type apples.cpl and press Enter. This will open up the programs and features of the control panel. And here you can see that Kate is listed. So click on it and press Uninstall. Now click on Uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the uninstallation is complete. Click on Close. And here you can see that Kate is removed from here. This confirms that Kate is uninstalled successfully using the control panel. So we have seen three methods to uninstall Kate on Windows. You can follow any one of these three methods to do the uninstallation. Once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to remove Kate entry from path if it is present. So to do this, press Windows R, type system.cpl and give OK. Go to the Advanced tab, click on Environmental Variables. Under System Variables, click on Path, click Edit. Here check if you are able to see the Kate entry. So here it is present here. So click on it and press Delete. Now give OK. Click on OK. Click OK again. So now we have removed the Kate entry from the environmental variables. Next we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type local app data within percentage and press Enter. Here we need to delete the Kate folder first. So locate the folder. Here you can see Kate folder is present here. Click on it and press delete key to delete it. Okay, so now it is deleted. Next, we need to delete these three Kate files if it is present. So select them all and press delete key to delete it. So now it is deleted. So these are the files and folder we need to delete if they are present. Once we are done with the uninstallation cleanup and have removed Kate entry from the environmental variables, lastly, we need to do the verification if Kate was uninstalled fully. So for this, press Windows R and type CMD, press enter to open command prompt. So here type the command Kate and press enter. So now you can see that we get the output. Kate is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this confirms that Kate is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Kate on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.